Okay. Now, here's another good way to play. Now so far we've been strumming. We've been plucking with our bass note, and then with our same thumb that we pluck the bass note, playing the other strings together. I want to show you another way that works really well. And that's to play your bass note with your thumb, and then we're going to pluck the high 3 strings. So we're going to play the bass note with our thumb, and we're going to pluck the highest 3 strings, so 1, 2, and 3. Now, it just so happens that these 3 fingers on your right hand, your first, second, and third finger, they fit just real nicely here on the first, second, and third strings. So don't do anything with your left hand now, just use your right hand and pluck those high 3 strings together, all together at the same time. Okay? Now let's add our D chord, and what we're going to do is we're going to play with our bass note with our thumb, which is, for the D chord, remember, it's the 4th string is your bass note, and we're going to pluck our high 3 strings together with the D chord. So we're going to do this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we can switch to G, A, back to D. Bass note with our thumb, and plucking the high 3 strings at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. D, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G, 2, 3. A, back to D, G, A, D. Okay, so that is playing the bass note with our thumb and plucking with our 3 fingers together. So what we're doing now is what's sort of an introduction to what's called finger picking. Remember, you can play your strings with a pick, and this is called a flat pick because, as you can see, it is flat. And this is one way to play the guitar. You can pick it, or you can finger pick. Okay? Now, let's do another finger picking technique that sounds good on a lot of songs.